Hey folks, welcome back to Selenium WebDriver series. In this video, let's talk about what is Maven. Also, we will install Maven. So Maven is basically a build tool. Maven is a build automation and project management tool that helps developers build, publish, and deploy projects. It is a build management tool. It is known as a build management tool because it serves a lot of purpose. For example, the main objectives of a build tool is the Maven. There are other build tools as well, like Ant and others as well, but Maven is quite popular. Making build process easy. Okay, whenever there are any dependencies, okay, latest dependencies or upgradations, then with the help of this Maven tool, you can, build tools, you can manage those dependencies. So first thing is it makes the build process easy and providing a uniform build system. So if you're working for a project, then everybody should follow a certain rule, right? Everybody should be in sync, like what happens in the team. So to have the better collaboration with the team, so this system basically helps to get more and more process easier, providing quality project information. So project information makes very easy and then encouraging better development practices. So all these are the objectives of Maven. What happens is if you're working with team, right? So what I will do is I'll write my code and then push it to the repository. Okay. Once my changes are there, if you go and then pull the latest changes, you will get all the related changes, whatever I have done onto your machine. So if there is any conflict, then it needs to be resolved, right? So all these management things will be uh, possible with the help of build tool. Okay. Maven focuses on simplification and standardization of building process, taking care of the following builds, okay, documentation, dependencies, reports, distribution, releases, and mailing list. So basically, with the help of Maven tool, you can achieve all this. Okay, you can manage the build and then documentation, and if there are any latest dependencies, you can manage those dependencies, and then reporting, distribution, releases, and then mailing list if anything needs to be notified. So all that can be managed through the mailing list. Okay. So now let's go ahead and then download Maven. So now search for download Maven. So you will get the website from Apache Maven. So Maven is the product of Apache. So that's the reason you go to this official website, and then from here we will download. So here we need to download either zip file or tar. We will download the tar. Okay. So it is downloaded. We'll go to our files. We'll go to downloads. So here we can see it is there. So we will we will organize this. Okay, we'll go to wherever you want to put it. Okay, you go to that particular path and then you can create a new folder. We'll say it as Maven. Okay, so after you create it, you put this into this folder. Okay, and now let's unzip this, extract this. Okay, you can see that another folder got created, and inside this there is another folder, and this is where all the files are there, and the executable Maven executable is present here in the bin folder. So what we need to do is we need to copy this bin path. Okay, copy this and then search for environment variables. Okay, and then set the environment variables in the path. Go to the path, edit. Okay, and then add this as a new path. Okay, click on OK, and then OK. So also here OK. So now we download it and then we set the path. But how do we know that whether it has been successfully installed on our machine or not? So for that, go to your command prompt. Okay, go to your command prompt and type mvn hyphen version. So now you can see that 3.9.9 is the version. So that is what we even downloaded, right? So it is able to identify. In the coming video, we will create the Maven project and then we will start the understanding the folder structure. So you keep all these setup ready. In the next video, we will uh, create the Maven project. Hopefully you have got what is Maven and how to install it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.